Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a quick and simple oil change on this motorcycle. Now I'm moving down to the bottom to drain the old engine oil. Let's crack this drain bolt open. There we go. You can see the oil coming out. It's pretty dark, which means it's time for a change. We'll just let it drain completely. Take your time with this step. All right, first thing I'm going to do is remove the oil cap right here. This helps the airflow into the engine so the old oil can drain out more smoothly. Just loosen it up, nice and easy. Don't force it. All right, that's good. All right, the oil is fully drained now. I'm going to clean the area a little bit and put the drain bolt back in. Make sure you tighten it properly, not too loose, not too tight. That should be perfect. Next, I'm using a fresh bottle of Havoline 10W40 engine oil. This one is great for underbone motorcycles. Let's open it up, nice and clean. Always make sure the oil is sealed before using. Now I'm slowly pouring the new oil into the engine. Take it easy, don't rush it to avoid spilling. Nice and smooth, that's what you want. Alright, everything is done. The bike now has fresh engine oil and is ready to go. This will help the engine run smoother and last longer. All set for the road. Fresh oil, clean job, ready to ride. See you in the next one.
Em đẩy banh ra được không? Ok, anh cảm ơn nha.